Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Buildertrend for managing renovation timelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Buildertrend for managing renovation timelines, begin by navigating to the Buildertrend website. On the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. After entering your credentials, review them to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Buildertrend dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Projects section to manage renovation timelines. Select the project you wish to work on from the list provided. Here, you can view the renovation timelines and other project details. For making updates, click on the relevant sections such as Schedule or Timeline. After making your adjustments, make sure to save any change. To log out of Buildertrend, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Logout option. This completes the login process and navigation for managing renovation timelines in Buildertrend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.